Hey there, welcome to VTE TV. I'm Tim Avery. Today we're going to learn something else on Google Maps. We're going to learn how to share your location on Google Maps. This is extremely helpful, especially if you want to let people know where you are for safety reasons. If you're a realtor and you want to let people know where you are at all times, or if you have a parent that wants you to know where you're at, or you have kids that you want to know where they're at, this is extremely helpful for that as well. So go ahead and open up your Google Maps icon. Okay, you're going to click on your icon in the top right hand corner of the search bar. It's going to be my face, but whatever it is you have set there. You're going to go down here where it says location sharing. So if you look all the way down here, it says your places, your profile, your business, your timeline, location sharing. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, so you're going to hit share location. You're going to share your real-time location with family and friends. This is where they can see where you are at all times, okay? So go ahead and hit share location. Now you get to choose who you want to share it with and for how long. So if you just want to show them where you are for an hour or for 45 minutes or more than that, a couple hours, it's just for your own safety. Like I said, if you're out doing something and you're not sure where you're going and you want people to know where you are, that you are safe, you can do that. Or you can just set it to until you turn this off, okay? Especially if you have kids that are new drivers, or parents that you want to keep track of, and you make sure that they're okay and you're always monitoring where they're at for their safety. You could do that, okay? So I'm going to leave this for just 2 hours or 1 hour. I'm going to share my location with my wife, so that way she knows where I am. And then anyone with this link will be able to see your name, photo, and real-time location. So I'm going to go ahead and hit share. And now she'll be able to see where I am and then when I get there for the next hour. Okay, so that is how you do that. Go ahead and hit share, and now she knows exactly where I am. She'll get a notification knowing exactly where I am. Now it gives me a notification down here. It says Donna Avery, people will this link and see your location for the next hour. Okay, that's great. And so copy this link here. If I want to share it with anybody else, I can go ahead and do that. Or if I want to go ahead and, if I'm done with what I'm doing, I can go ahead and hit stop. And now that she can't see me where I am anymore or any longer. Okay. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you. If you like tutorials like this, please check out our archive for more helpful tips and tutorials. If there isn't a video on there that you would like to know how to do something, please send us an email at info@visualtestaments.com, and we'll help you by shooting a video specifically for you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.